Me and my family went to watch a movie Padmavati, and the last scene when all the ladies were jumping into that well of fire. So that time I was crying. Literally, I was crying in that theater. Hi, good morning. How are you?
Good morning. I'm good. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing good, Neha. So nice to see you.
Nice to meet you too.
So, Neha, before we move on, can you please tell me something about yourself?
Yeah. My name is Neha Nishad. I'm from Dhamtari, Chhattisgarh, and I'm a teacher by profession. And right now, I'm a stay at home because this time is Corona situation, and I'm a teacher. But I used to teaching, but right now I stay. And Corona situation, then totally I stay at home. At home.
Okay, okay. So, you teach English or any other subject?
No, all subject.
Okay, all subjects. Wow, that's great. So, how long have you been teaching, Neha?
I have been teaching 3 years.
Wow, that's great. So, what are your hobbies?
My hobbies is teaching because I love teaching because I learn new something and I teach to children and sometimes I learn with student because student like kids small kids like very innocent, then I teach small kids, then easily learn, then I happy, then yeah I'm my work is good, that's why small kids is easily learn and sometimes very hard working because small kids is
True.
very
It's very difficult to handle small kids. Yes,
yeah.
yes, right, right. So, other than teaching, what you do?
Other than teaching means
Like, other than teaching, what are your hobbies? What you do in your spare time?
yeah, my spare time on study and cooking, yeah, cooking
You love
because I
cooking?
love cooking. Yeah, I love cooking,
Great.
but I'm not eat because I means eating is not important for me, and but I cooking, I like cooking, and I cook every time different dishes, then I learned different dishes, and my family member very exciting for new dish, that's why I cook. Cooking is I like.
So you cook Indian food or any other food as well, like continent, Chinese, or you cook Indian food
Yeah,
only?
all I try. No, Indian food. Yeah, I'll try Indian food, and also I'll try Western food like chow mein and pizza, burger. Sometimes I try, and I live in Chhattisgarh, but Chhattisgarh and our family member means my family member totally depend Chhattisgarhi dish like. Our means chila, yeah, chila and para. That this is our Chhattisgarh like dish.
We also like chila.
Okay,
Yes.
but yeah,
How do you
but
make chila?
I make chila like rice flour. Rice flour. I like rice for add and only for add. Sometime add like green coriander leaves and tomato and green chili, and sometimes without any add, only for rice flour and salt add and mix, then make the chila.
Okay, you people use rice flour and we use gram flour, besan.
No,
Okay.
I don't add like
Gram flour,
besan, only
besan.
for rice flour.
Okay, okay. So what did you have today in your breakfast?
I bake first today. I eat breakfast.
So what did you have today in breakfast?
I eat rice flour pakoda.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's good.
yeah,
That's good. So do you love watching movie?
yeah. I love
What
watching
is your
movie.
favorite movie?
Actually, I like South Indian movie. Mostly, I like South Indian movie because South Indian movie is very different types of story, different story, and its story is dressing sense in action is very different. Bollywood,
Hollywood movies.
Bollywood,
Yes,
yeah,
yes, yes, yes.
all-time copied South Indian movies.
True, true.
I saw many movies than all-time copied Bollywood movie. That's why I don't like Bollywood movie. Only for I like South Indian movie. Then I search every movie, new movie search. Then I watch.
Great, great. Actually, I also like South Indian movies. They are full of action. So yesterday I was
Yeah,
watching a movie. The name was Action Only. So
yeah,
the main thing about South Indian movies is that there are so many villains and the hero is only one. So after
yeah.
a long fighting, it is the hero who stood intact without any like sweat on his face, without his shirt was also tucked in. So I was thinking, wow, this is the South Indian hero only who can fight like this without any happening to
I
him. Yes, yes,
I
yes.
also I also enjoyed South Indian movie, and I like most South Indian movie only for one reason: action and different story.
Storyline,
But
yes.
yeah, one thing is like dress up sense.
Yes.
South Indian movies dress up sense is very good.
True.
Like not wear short dress and short dress up all time. Like wear his culture, like South Indian culture, lehenga and chunri. I think chunri. Then he's like her not give his culture, like
Oh,
South
yeah,
Indian
that's nice.
movies and
They are full of
all
culture.
time
True.
wear his culture according dress. Yeah.
Right, right,
Yes.
right. So don't you like Western dresses? Don't you like
No,
Western
I
dresses?
like Western. No, I like Western days, but I can say like don't give up our cultural dress. Like our Indian people, sometimes Indian traditional and sometimes Western traditional. But sometimes I celebrate any festival, then I wear our cultures according dress up.
Traditional
Then
dresses, right?
yeah, hence South Indian movie and Bollywood movie like very different. So Bollywood movie all time wear short dress up, and yeah, all time wear short dress up, and his acting and her acting is very different. And the South Indian all time wear like lehenga, chundi, like everything cover his body, her body. That
Yes,
is
yes,
uh,
yes, yes, true. So
every
have you watched Bahubali? What do you think about that movie?
Bahubali movie is very best movie my whole life. Like I watched Bollywood like South Indian movie Bahubali, and Bahubali movie is very best movie
Yes.
according to me.
True, true, true. The picturization they people have used, the animations they people have used are amazing. And especially that Jharna wala scene was so much
Yeah,
nice. I am in love with that scene.
yeah,
Yes, yes.
yeah.
And that
And
shivling scene
this
was very awesome.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. They have done an amazing
And
job in that movie.
yeah, and movies is starting like Bahubali and Ganapati. Yeah, it's starting like Haldi, Kumkum. This
True.
scene, that scene is very like wonderful
Yes,
scene.
yes. Packed. It was just awesome movie.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. And do you know that his mother role was given to Sri Devi? That role was offered to Sri Devi, but she denied that. Okay, I'm not going to do South Indian movie.
Okay, I don't
Yes,
know.
yes, yes, yes. Then that role was given to that lady. I don't know her name, and she played an awesome role. That was
Yeah,
Maharani. Yes, yes.
yeah, and I think, according to me, I think Bollywood movie only for best mother and son, because this song is very like some. I was that time I was the South Bollywood movie. Then I went to theater and I watched. Then this song is play like mother and song. Bahubali leave the house, mother's house with. His wife, I think his wife is, I don't know what is the name. I
I
don't know
also
what
don't
is.
know the name of the
Yeah,
actor and actresses. Yes.
yeah, Bahubali and his wife is leave the house, and that time play this song like mother and song related. Then I cry.
Oh, you are very emotional guy, huh? You are very
Very
emotional girl.
emotional. I cry.
Okay.
Yeah, then my sister-in-law saw my face, then laughing. Bhabhi, are you crying? Yeah, I'm crying because this
Yeah.
scene is very
Emotional.
emotional scene.
Yes. You see, this thing happened to
Yeah.
me as well. So me and my family went to watch a movie Padmavati, and the last scene when all the ladies were jumping into that well of fire. So that time I was crying. Literally, I was crying in that theater. So that was very goose bumping type of scene. So it has happened me as well.
Yeah,
Have you watched?
because
Have you watched Padmavati movie?
yeah, no,
Okay,
I'm
this
not.
is very
I
awesome
didn't.
movie. You must watch it.
Okay,
Yes, and the
I
last scene, if you are an emotional girl, then last scene is definitely going to make you cry. I bet on you. That's really a
okay.
very emotional scene.
Definitely,
Yes, you must watch
definitely.
that movie.
I will.
Yes, yes, yes. So, Neha, anything else you want to ask me?
Yeah. Where are you from?
I'm from Haryana.
Okay, I saw your many video on YouTube channel. Then that's why I sent the email. Then can can we talk to some
Yes. See,
something?
Neha, this is a very great platform. I have learned a lot while speaking to the people, and especially I have got a lot of confidence while speaking to the people. So it's really very nice talking to the different people on this platform. So have you also
And
spoken to any other person?
no. Actually, I don't have any particular partner, like proper partner. Then I start my self journey before lockdown. Start Corona situation, like Corona case our country. Then I stop my school. Then I start my spoken English journey self, because this time that time free time. Then I think I don't waste my time, like that time corona disease start. That time I think like means something to do creative, like innovative. That's why I start my spoken English journey. Then I search many videos and I start my learning process, like I watch many video, then I learn basic, then I start speaking. And I don't have any partner, but only for I self practice for front of the mirror.
Okay, that's very nice of you. See, I also started doing the same thing when I was not having any communication buddy. Then I used to stand in front of the mirror, and then I used to do my rehearsals and practice it all. Then one day an idea came in my mind that okay, I'll be going to record my videos, and then I'll see that what all mistakes I'll making, because when we speak we are in a rhythm of speaking, so we don't recognize our mistakes. But when we see our videos, then we comes to know that okay, there are so many mistakes we are making while speaking. So recording videos help me a lot. And then one day suddenly I saw that okay, there are so many people who are conversing on this platform, then I should also start posting my videos. If I can motivate by watching anyone's videos, then there must be anyone who also gets motivated by watching my videos. So this was really a nice experience. And all the person I talk, or all the person who are watching these videos, that okay, you also start recording your videos and then see what all mistakes we are making, so that when next time we speak, we try not to repeat those mistakes. So you also do the same thing. You get ready with something, and that's record that thing, then see that you will be going to speak a very good English in few days. Yes.
Yeah,
So
definitely.
this is very nice experience. So nowadays there are so many people who are sitting at home, so we should do something innovative, like you said earlier. Yes.
This is YouTube channel is very good channel. Someone start his channel and learn many things. Like YouTube provide lots of program and lots of features and different means your choice according you search video and you learn, and you learn many things.
Yes, true. So Neha, apart from me, as I asked you earlier, that have you spoken to any other person as well, or this is the me only one who has whom you are talking with?
I have one friend, but sometimes I speak and sometimes he's left. Then I left because my friend is a teacher, and all time, he's working, and sometimes free. Then talk to each other. Then sometimes busy. Then we
Yeah, so I recommend you that you should speak to the different people, like you are speaking with me. You should speak to different people as well, because when we speak to the different people, they come up with different topics. Like we were talking on the Bollywood and the South Indian movies, so they will come up with on some other topics, and then so the speaking power will automatically enhance.
Actually, I start nowadays. I speak not good, not fluency, but little good. And before I start my spoken English journey, is totally unknown for English. Means I used to teaching work, but that time I don't know what is the meaning and what is the rule, regulation, tense, and tense is very I think tense is very difficult part for me. That's why I don't interest spoken English speaking. Then I start English. I start my school. I went to school. Then just I click my mind. No, this time my spoken is improved. This is the very important, because your spoken English is very good. Then you go to anywhere. Then you get the job easily.
True.
Yes. You get the job easily. Then without your spoken English good, you can't achieve anything like a better job and better career. only for depend spoken English. Not matter your qualification. What is your qualification? Not matter your qualification. Yeah, matter also, but spoken English most important everywhere.
Yes,
That's why,
true, true.
yeah,
Yes,
that's
yes,
why
yes.
I start my self journey. Then I start my video. I watch many video. Then I learn basic thing, different movie, different videos and sir, ma'ams. Yeah,
Yes,
and
yes.
every day I watch vocabs, different vocabs. Yeah,
That's great, Neha. So, Neha, anything else you wanna ask, or we should call it for the day?
yeah. Actually, I don't have any question, but I ask one question for like you. Why are you learning English? Like any reason and any particular reason, then any career. What is
Yes,
the
yes,
reason?
Neha. Yes, yes. Actually, I am IT professional. I have started my job as well. So, as you said, that in professional life, English plays a very important role. Yes,
Yeah.
qualification plays a very good role, but aside this, English is the method. English is the way who can make you reach at a desired position. So this was the reason that,
Yeah.
okay, I also started my spoken English journey, and I am trying hard. Let's see when the day will come that I'll be speaking very fluently. I don't know, but yes, goods are do like
No,
things
no.
are doing good.
Your English is good, very good, because I watch your many videos. That's why I sent the email. That is because I learned means many things to you. That's why.